I have attached the data for this example in the Resources tab, and you also can find it in the workspace on the next concept we'll work through. This is the same coffee data you saw in the previous lesson on confidence intervals, so you might already have it saved on your local as well. What if we wanted to ask the question of if the average height for all coffee drinkers is greater than 70 inches? We could set up our null and alternative hypotheses in the following way. Here, we have that the average height of all coffee drinkers is less than or equal to 70 in the null, while in this statement, we have that the average height is greater than 70 in the alternative. Notice, we are always testing a parameter, so I'm using mu here to represent the mean of all coffee drinkers. Based on what we just did with confidence intervals, you could imagine a very intuitive approach for determining if the null is possible is just to bootstrap a sample set of data and compute the sample mean again and again, and build the sampling distribution and corresponding confidence interval to determine what are the reasonable values for the population mean with some level of confidence. Let's put this to practice. Imagine from our dataset we achieve this sample. Then we can bootstrap this in the following way. Now, let's bootstrap a number of times and compute the mean for each bootstrap sample. Here, we have our bootstrap sample, and here I've created an empty vector of means that we're going to append each of our bootstrap means into. Now, we have all of our means, and we can create our confidence interval. Here, I have the lower bound, and here is the upper bound. Additionally, we might choose to plot those. Here's what it looks like.